In this video, we shall look at the biggest mega-projects in Afghanistan. War-torn Afghanistan might surprise you. Buckle up for a journey of massive engineering feats aimed at rebuilding the nation. From futuristic cities to canals stretching for miles, these projects are big and ambitious. Ready to see the future of Afghanistan? Let's count down the top mega-projects. Number 8. Casa 1000. Imagine a future where Afghanistan acts as a bridge, not a barrier, when it comes to electricity. The Casa 1000 project envisions exactly that. This regional power project aims to transmit electricity from Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan, countries blessed with vast hydroelectric resources, from Afghanistan to Pakistan. This might have far-reaching consequences for all of the countries concerned. Afghanistan, which is now experiencing power shortages, would get access to a consistent source of electricity, bolstering homes, businesses, and critical infrastructure. Pakistan, which is suffering its own energy issues, might profit from a new source of clean energy. Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan, who generate surplus electricity, could find a lucrative market for their excess energy. Casa 1000 is partially constructed, with transmission lines installed in some areas. However, full implementation depends on continuing regional collaboration and political stability. If these obstacles can be addressed, Casa 1000 has the ability to illuminate not only houses, but also the route to a better future for Afghanistan and its neighbors. Number 7. Tapi gas pipeline. Consider a pipeline winding through the heart of Afghanistan, transporting a valuable commodity, natural gas. This ambitious aim is realized by the Tapi gas pipeline project. It proposes bringing natural gas from Turkmenistan, which has massive gas reserves, through Afghanistan and Pakistan, and finally to India, which is eager for energy. This project has the potential to benefit all parties involved. Turkmenistan would get a new avenue for exporting natural gas, strengthening its economy. Afghanistan would gain from transit tolls and the possibility for job development during building and operation. Pakistan would have access to a cleaner and more reliable fuel supply than previous sources. India's rising energy need might be satisfied, powering households and enterprises. However, the Tapi pipeline confronts severe challenges. Security issues remain a primary priority, as Afghanistan's volatile terrain complicates building and upkeep. Political unrest in the region complicates problems. Despite these challenges, the potential advantages of Tapi are obvious. If the nations involved can reach an agreement and address security concerns, this pipeline has the potential to be a significant engine of economic growth and regional collaboration, with Afghanistan playing a key role in this energy corridor. Number 6. Mujahid Highway. Imagine a smoother, safer tour through Afghanistan. The Mujahid Highway, which connects the capital, Kabul, to Kandahar, the country's second-largest city, is being improved. This critical corridor spans hundreds of kilometers, and renovating it entails more than merely paving the road. Consider enhanced signs, increased security along the roadway, and possibly even rest areas with minimal facilities for weary motorists. A renovated Mujahid Highway would help more than simply long-distance passengers. It would become a vital link for trade within Afghanistan. Consider how trucks carrying important supplies, such as food and medication, could travel the route more effectively. Along the way, this would boost local economies in towns and cities, promoting growth and the creation of jobs. Furthermore, better transportation infrastructure creates the groundwork for future economic expansion. Companies can connect markets across the nation by moving goods more readily. A more accessible Mujahid Highway might also increase tourism by enabling travelers to see the rich tapestry of Afghan history and culture. Number 5. Irrigation and water management projects. Imagine vast fields of crops stretching across the Afghan plains. This fertile land holds immense potential, but water scarcity and outdated irrigation systems threaten its agricultural future. Irrigation and water management projects are like a lifeline for Afghan agriculture. These initiatives focus on repairing and modernizing canals, introducing efficient water distribution systems, and promoting better water management practices among farmers. Imagine repaired canals transporting life-giving water to dry fields, allowing farmers to plant crops while ensuring food security for their families and communities. These projects not only increase crop yields, but also empower farmers. Training programs educate them on water conservation measures and effective irrigation systems, helping them to make the most of this valuable resource. These projects help to revitalize irrigation infrastructure and promote sustainable water management, paving the path for Afghanistan's future prosperity and food security. Number 4. Urban regeneration projects. The scars of conflict are obvious throughout Afghanistan's cities and towns. Bullet-riddled buildings, destroyed infrastructure, and inadequate services all contribute to a grim picture. Urban regeneration projects strive to revitalize war-torn neighborhoods. Imagine lively marketplaces replacing bombed-out structures. Paved streets brimming with life replace rubble-strewn roads. These projects encompass not only physical repair, but also social and economic revitalization. Schools and healthcare facilities are being renovated to ensure that inhabitants have access to necessary services. Investing in public transportation and outdoor places generates a sense of belonging and wellness. Urban redevelopment is a difficult project that necessitates worldwide collaboration and investment. Donor countries, non-governmental organizations, NGOs, and the Afghan government must collaborate to develop a long-term strategy that meets the physical, social, and economic requirements of Afghan cities. These programs, which revitalize metropolitan areas, provide Afghans with the opportunity to reconstruct their lives, create dynamic communities, and move forward into a bright future. Number 3. Kabul New City Project. Kabul, Afghanistan's bustling city, is brimming with activity. However, years of conflict have taken their toll on the city's infrastructure. The Kabul New City Project is a bold long-term strategy to address these issues. Imagine a new satellite metropolis being created east of Kabul, with a modern and well-planned urban environment. This new city would not replace the old. Rather, it would increase space and improve the general quality of life for Kabul citizens. The Kabul New City Project may contain well-equipped schools, hospitals, and green spaces. Consider modern housing alternatives and commercial districts to build a thriving and sustainable community. This new metropolis would not only alleviate Kabul's overcrowding, but also serve as a model for future urban development throughout Afghanistan. While the Kabul New City Project is a long-term vision, it represents a commitment to building a brighter future for Afghanistan. It's a project that could ease congestion, create opportunities, and improve the lives of millions of Afghans. Number 2. Renewable energy projects. Afghanistan, a region bathed in sunshine and kissed by continuous winds, has enormous potential for renewable energy. Consider gigantic solar farms blanketing suitable landscapes, their panels gleaming in the sun, transforming sunlight into clean electricity. Projects like the Kajaki Solar Power Plant are laying the groundwork for this future. This power station, located near the Kajaki Dam, uses thousands of solar panels to provide electricity to the neighboring people. Renewable energy provides a sustainable answer to Afghanistan's energy needs. Unlike fossil fuels, it does not contribute to greenhouse gas emissions and can provide a consistent source of power in rural places where access to the national grid is problematic. Additionally, solar and wind energy projects can create jobs in construction, maintenance, and operation, boosting the local economy. By harnessing its abundant natural resources, Afghanistan can move towards energy independence and a cleaner future. Number 1. Education and healthcare infrastructure development. The scars of conflict are still visible in Afghanistan, with many schools and healthcare facilities damaged or destroyed. Rebuilding and improving this infrastructure is crucial for the country's long-term development. Imagine schools teeming with eager pupils, complete with adequate facilities and qualified staff. Investing in education enables future generations to overcome the cycle of poverty and create a skilled workforce. Improving healthcare facilities is equally vital. Hospitals and clinics with appropriate medical supplies and well-trained staff will assure Afghans access to high-quality healthcare. This not only benefits public health, but also alleviates the load on families dealing with medical situations. By investing in education and healthcare, Afghanistan creates the groundwork for a better, more affluent future for its citizens. These initiatives are more than just structures and equipment. They are an investment in the potential of every Afghan citizen. Those were the incredible megaprojects transforming Afghanistan. If you want to see more amazing construction feats around the world, smash that subscribe button.